I was discovered playing piano and singing at a friend's house. He was a musician and he liked what I was doing, so he arranged a meeting with the manager, who was the very first manager of BoneyM, and I took Maisie and another girl for the audition, thinking it was just going to be for me. The manager just looked us up and down and said, perfect, I know somebody called Frank Farian that's looking for a group, but we need a boy looking for a group called BoneyM. Got to have a believing, Lord. Got to have a believing, Lord. The people cause the people leaving. I left, well, I was around for Baby Do You Want to Bump. Liz and Marcy came after me. Group itself are not allowed, nobody's allowed to record anything under the name of BoneyM because it belongs to Frank Farian. Nobody else but Frank Farian. He's the inventor, he's the concept maker, he's the founder, he's the writer, he's even the singer on many tracks. For the wicked,
carry us away captivity, requiring of us a song. How shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Carry us away captivity, requiring of us a song. How shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? You did good, you did good.
Oh, she loves me. Oh, she She never cried. I'm crazy like a fool. What about Daddy Cool? So true.
First time you're going to hear Holiday in a jazz version, Rasputin in a jazz version, and Daddy Cool in a jazz version. I'm not sure which comes first, if the wine makes the jazz sound even jazzier, or the jazz sounds winier. Johnny was so true.
Resist.